Congrats on the purchase of your all-new Cricket Power Wheelchair by Golden Technologies. In this video, we will go over what to expect when unboxing your new power wheelchair. After removing the unit from the box, notice the charger that is tucked away in the packing material. Once you open up your Cricket, safely remove the zip tie holding the battery in place. Remove the battery pack and then remove and discard the plastic battery connection guard. After reinstalling your battery pack, be sure to put both drive motors into drive mode. Lastly, install your joystick into either the right side or left side armrest. Tighten the tightening knob and you are good to go. Enjoy mobility independence with the Cricket Power Wheelchair by Golden Technologies. Call AutoMobility store today.